So I want to show you this microwave splatter shield because it's just so different than the cheap ones that I'm used to. And I do want to thank the company for gifting it to me to review for you. Now, maybe it's just me, but I've never seen a splatter shield come with a separate base that actually holds your plate. You can use the handles on the base to remove your plate from the microwave, making sure you don't burn your hands on the hot plate. This is also going to prevent spilling of your food due to there's a lip on the base so it comes up a little bit so liquids or your food just don't spill out. Now, the splatter shield itself is collapsible, so this thing can be easily folded up and stored in a drawer or in a cabinet, but pops right out to cover your food. It does have vent holes that let some of the steam out, but it keeps a lot of the moisture in, so your food doesn't really dry out while microwaving. You can even use it as a drain basket if you want to. And if you need a tray with handles, the base can even double as a fruit or cheese tray. So this has really been a great addition to my kitchen. I highly recommend.